Hello, good morning. It's on Wednesday, 29th September 2020 at time 11:30 local time. It's 9:30. So just before we do our today analysis, let's do the review of yesterday's market and yesterday's analysis and how it went. Now, yesterday, as we were analyzing GBP USD, we predicted that from this point we are looking to go high. For sure, yesterday I took trade and it broke even. It didn't go to the high that I was expecting, but it closed at this point. I was expecting it to go high, to make a high, but it failed. But now, today, let's look at what is happening for today. Yesterday I was telling that this trade should pull back up to this zone. So as of now, it's still up trade, but you can see it's pulling back. When this market is coming to retest this line at this zone over here, that's where we are looking to take our trade again to the top. So as of now, it's still buyer's market. Let nobody sell. And if you are selling, be quick to put to break even trade. Be quick to trail your stop loss so that it may either break even, so that you may not undergo destruction in case it moves against you. Now, let's do again GBP Howdy. Those were the pound pairs that I was comparing yesterday, and see what happened. Now, this yesterday, this line wasn't there. This line wasn't there. Yesterday, I was looking at this pair to be up move. Then, as I was comparing to USD, this pair and pulled back inside this region. Yesterday, it was inside here. So somebody could have looked at selling either GBP and JPY. Somebody may have sold, may have bought, not sell, may have bought GBP USD and the GBP held at the same time, just because they move the same. But the difference is this GBP held had broken inside the trade, in the trade of the market, which is up move. So it had broken inside. So we could not take a buy inside this region, as you can see here. Not unless it's broken above, retest, then we go up. So we could not take any buy at this point. But on GBP USD, the reason why I bought, it was far away. Okay, sorry, my network seems to be slow. Yes, yes, my network is okay now. So this is what I was leading, that you could have looked at buy was better in this GBP USD than GBP held. Yes, buy was better in GBP USD than GBP held, as you can see over here. This is inside the structure, so you could not buy this market, but you could have sold this one, GBP USD. It's outside the structure, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, what's the structure. Again, GBP, JPY, let's see how it happened. GBP USD, again, it was better to also buy this GBP USD because it was away from the structure. So there was still some strength to go up. As you can see, I took this trade and I took profit yesterday. Now GBP Audi and GBP CAD. GBP CAD was still strong to take a buy. I took buy at this point. Now today is still consolidating. I don't know what is happening. As you can see, this is a good range. This is a good range at this point. But at what side is it in this range? This range is on the side of buyers. So you can't afford to be selling this pair at this moment now. This is range, yes, but at whose side? It is on the side of buyers. So if you want to take this trade, make sure you take it on buyer side, and unless it breaks down and it tests this line. GBP, let me do today's analysis. GBP, this is the structure of the market. It was going down, go down, boom, down, down, down. At this point over here, let me draw my line from this point over here. From that point, sorry, yes, from that point, this is as of now, this is buy market currently, right now, as we talk. This is buy market. Don't dare sell this market. And when it trades move on your favor, remember to trade your stop loss into profits. Everything is about managing, and it's about risk management, and you want to drive risk-free trade. So it's better when the trade moves in your favor around 50%, make sure break even. That is, bring your stop loss into zero. Then let trade run. GBP, JPY, current market. Yesterday the current market. Let me talk about the current market. It was consolidating at this point. It has been consolidated for long. Then all of a sudden, from this point, you can see it has broken. It has broken down. It has broken down. Now, we know it has broken down, but this is a structure. We are waiting it for at this point, so we cannot dare sell at this market because it can do anything and it can move upwards because of this move over there. So at current market at now, no trade in GBP, JPY. Howdy, Chef. Chef, yesterday we were looking to. Yes, yesterday we were looking at this trade over here. We were looking at it to sell. We were looking at it to sell. It was over this one here. We were looking at it because it ain't broken. It has broken our trend line. We were looking to sell this trade. But look this line. The reason why I bought this market. Look at it. Now, as I was looking at this market, yesterday, I saw it end, broken my trend line, then consolidated. So, these are the lines that guided me to take this buy trade. I'm not swing, so I scalp only. So, those were strong. Those were the line that was telling me to buy the market. Now, what did they tell me to do? I was looking at this movement of a year in this consolidation. Boom, 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 boom. At this point, I saw a Gulfing candle. Then I waited for the test. I was looking at this movement. Then all of a sudden, I realized that this strong move failed to break down, and it was taken over by buyers. Again, as I was looking, they tried again this move and failed. So at this point, I took my trade buy. Then my take profit was at top, and you can see the movement that happened yesterday. Now today we want to see the direction of our market. As of now, the direction of market is downwards. As of now, direction of market is downwards. You can see boom, 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 boom. So currently it's still downwards at this point. At this point now, that is where we are looking for. Now we can see as this one has made, it has not made lower low. So our key zone remains at this point. That is the zone that we are waiting to look for down market. Mm-hmm. Then let me go to Euro MXN and see what happened yesterday. Yesterday, yes, thank you. This was the trade that I was looking for. We are looking at it that it tests. As you can see, these two lines, this line downwards shows session break. So this was yesterday's market up to there. This is today market. So yesterday we were looking at this market and said that we want it to retest this zone. For sure, it retested the zone. Then let's look how I entered the trade. Buy and drop it over there. This is the direction I was looking at. There, market moved, pull back. So when you are looking at it, you can see that it's from. Let me remove this. As you can see over here, this is down market from here. It went down. Again, it tested, went down. It tested, went down again, but it failed. So this is where you see you take your trade at this point. Then after taking your trade, you exit at this point. Now, if you fail to take a trade, wait for this breakout of this line above up to here, and you take your trade. If you take your trade, then you put your stop loss just below. Don't risk too much because already the problematic area it's out. So you put your stop loss just below where it started that move. Then put your take profit above. Yes, that was the trade that yesterday we took. Now today's market, how is it? Today's market it's buy market, so you can't dare to be selling this market. As of now, anything you are supposed to be looking at, it's a buy. Now today where we putting, as you can see now, it's at this top market here. Yeah, it's at the top here. So at that top, it's either it break above, then we look for buy signal. If it fails, now we'll be looking at. Let me drill my line over here. If it fails, now I'm expecting it to break down this line over here, then we'll be looking to sell. So it's for today, no signal, and drop that one from my list today. This market we were looking at it yesterday, then I showed how it has been retesting this trend line over here in our time frame, this trend line over here. So I thought we said that we are looking to buy, and for sure we bought the market. We bought the market at after this candlestick over here, this strong candlestick here. Now this is when I entered the market, and now I can see it's still running. It's still running because we expect it to get out at the top. Yes. We expect it to go at the top. As you can see, it's still making high. So the trade is still active. We expect it to go up. So if you want to take the market now, you can take buy. Make sure you give it a space. As you can see, this is where the market started. It made high. After that, we're looking at it at this point. It has made another high. So the market it's making high. And now we expect it to go high as of now. So it's still a viable market today. You can still be looking for buy signals. Now, yesterday, this is another trade that we are looking at. Yesterday, as you can see in this zone over here. Now I'm about to start swinging trades because this I took profit very early. You can see all this movement that I lost all the way up, all the way up. This is the trade line I was looking at. The trade is made up, then it was down. So in this market, I bought, as you can see over here. Then I exited at my high. Then I forgot to look for more signals. That's how we lose profits. That's how we fail to drive our profits and later our analysis down and failure of confidence in trading. Now, Euro Audi. Let's look at it. It has to offer to us yesterday. Yesterday, as you can see, yes, very clear structure here. The trade was down. As you can see, this was key zone. Then you put a stop loss above, then drive it to lower low. That's where I exited the market. Now again, as you can see, there was another good trade over here. Here, market went up, so this became a key zone high. So we are expecting it to test this key zone, then we go up. At this zone, boom, exactly, it went up there. So this was a good trade. As of now, the market is still meandering at the top of this one, so we can't be anticipate on it. But as of now, the market is still viable to go up because you can see it has broken above. So you can be looking at from a momentum candle from here at the top, then you go high. So you draw out now we are going to see at USD again. We're going to look at it and now it's going to react on key levels as we are going to analyze. Now we were expecting to sell the market from above here, but it didn't pull back up to that point, so it went lower. So it's for that trade we did not take any trade. So as of today we are looking and now this market is gonna react at this point because you can see it made one good move, no lower up to then. And now it's trying to retest this zone. So we are looking for momentum candles at for USD at that zone of 0.92192. Then from there you can go down. Let's wait for and see how the London session is going to open around 12 minutes from now. USD MXN. Yesterday we were looking at this zone over here. Yes. We are looking at it to take a buy at this point. It didn't do well yesterday, so today we are still looking at it and see what it has to offer to us. But as of now, you can see it's still bullish from here. You can see now it's respecting trade line, as you can see. So we are looking at it, how it's going to react. Up, down. So we are still looking at it, how it's gonna react at this trend line. Then from there, you can take our buy signal. New Zealand USD, it was good yesterday, bullish. It was bullish yesterday. Yes, bullish. It was bullish yesterday at around here. Still bullish today. So as of now, I don't see any signal on it, so I tend to drop it. And so far, those are our analysis. These are the pairs that I'm looking at today.